Hi guys, it's Stu here from 3B. Long time no see. And first of all, I apologize for not having done a video for some time, but I do have a very good excuse. I've been working on a contract for the last sort of 5 months or so, which has really taken up all of my time. The only available time I did have after that was to sort of work on family stuff and basically sleep. But that is now finished, and I now have more time to devote to you guys and to do more videos. And as a result of working on this contract, I've gathered some more new and, I would assume, cool things. I think they're kind of cool. So we've got some Cyrus equipment that I got. I got a brand new Denon AVR amp. We've got a new Atmos system. I've also got a projector that Optoma sent to me to review, so I'll be doing that too. They sent to me that, which is interesting because my original UHD 40 projector had a fault, and it took a while to find, and it took a while to figure out that it was actually a fault. And they're now repairing it, but whilst they're repairing it, they've sent me this projector to review and also to use whilst mine's being repaired. So I'll also provide a full review for that. It's pretty cool. It's a short throw projector that can project an enormous image just from like 1.5 meters away. So it's pretty cool. So there's lots of nice things that I've got, some toys and bits and bobs that I've got that I'll do reviews on. And I also will be changing the format for reviews. So we'll have more of a structured approach to how they are. So we'll look at sort of how they are in terms of the item itself and look around it, and then we'll look at how it's set up, and then we'll look at sort of initial first use, and then we'll look at how it is over the longer term, and then we will look at sort of hints and tips on settings and so on. So these reviews, each will be separate, will be just a few minutes long, and then we will add more as we go along through the use of that item. So we get more of a lifetime view, real life usage, similar to the critical user case reviews that I did do. So that's why I've been away. It's not been intentional. It's not that I've got bored or anything. It's just the simple fact of life and making a living, because YouTube doesn't really provide that. Certainly not for me with 5,000 and so on subscribers. It doesn't trust me, it doesn't pay the bills. So yeah, I'm looking to devote more time to the YouTube channel, get it built up again, and be more of service to you guys and provide some interesting thoughts, feelings, reviews and whatnot as we move forward. So thanks for your patience, thanks for sticking around, and I will be doing my first review in the coming week or so. I just want to get some things together, and then we'll be off and running with more reviews and regular videos and whatnot. So thanks again. Take care. Have a great week. See you soon.